Alright everyone, this is the final filler for this last spot in the main. Top spot gets it. We are live. 9:51. Come on. 9:51. I think I got a computer overload. It's going really slow. Got 10 spots here. Dwayne on the top, Dwayne on the bottom. 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 10 times at 9:51. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. You got Dwayne on the top. Must go 10. Good luck at 9:52. Come on. 9:52. Last and final roll. Top spot gets the final spot in the main. Congratulations goes to spot 5, Pete. Congratulations, Pete. Go ahead and pick your spot. Actually, I'll just put it in there. We are done at 9:52. 9:52. Congratulations, Pete. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.